Hey everyone, and welcome to the 30-minute Uncut Raw Reviews. Roar. So today we're going to discuss about the Google Cloud Storage within the Google Cloud Platform, so GCP. So primarily, I have an experience storing my files in Google Drive and also in iCloud, and then it cost me more or less 500 pesos per month. And then yung mga files na naka-store doon is bihira ko lang naman gamitin. So, mostly yung mga pictures nasa photos naman or any other with sa photos library ng cellphone. So, binabackup ko lang siya from time to time. So, there are a lot of files sa Google Drive and iCloud na minsan ko lang ino-open or ginagamit. Siguro mga once in a quarter or once a year. So, the primary reason of this exploration sa Google Cloud Storage is nakita ko siya is about the cost and then the availability of your data on the web and also the curiosity, so how this Google Cloud Storage works. So mag-walk through tayo, siguro mga 30-minute time span na yan. We will be able to create a cloud storage bucket and then upload our files and discuss some points there in the Google Cloud Storage. So, ano nga ba yung Google Cloud Storage? So, ayon ka sa ating Google Bard or ChatGPT, pwedeng both. Sabi dito is Google Cloud Storage is a cloud object storage service offered by Google Cloud Platform. It's designed for storing large amounts of unstructured data, such as media files, backups, and archives. So, unlike traditional file storage, which organizes data in a hierarchical file system, object storage treats each file as a unique object with its own identifier. So this makes more scalable and flexible. So if you want to choose Google Drive, you may use it for personal use, collaboration, and basic file storage. Pero there are enterprise na rin kasi even the government using Google Drive kasi nakakabit sila sa email collaboration tool like Google Workspace. And there are also companies using iCloud. So it depends. Pero when it comes to archival and saving your uh, infrequent usage of data, so better siguro yung Google Cloud Storage. Let's see. So let's open our Google Cloud Console. So you may go here sa https console.cloud.google.com kung sa Chrome kayo. So ito parang naka-desktop shortcut siya. So yan yung view niya. And then you go here sa Google Cloud, click here, create a project. So if you don't have in mind pa kung anong project na ilalagay nyo rito, you could create your own. So for me, I'll use the project name, the 30-minute Uncut Reviews. So very raw to, Uncut. And then let's explore first here the basic features or mga solutions within the Google Cloud Platform. As you can see, meron ka tayong Cloud Overview. Ito yun. Yung project info, APIs, billings, monitoring, resources. And then the other one is product solutions. So, ito yung mga product solutions na to, but nipin ko lang sila kaya mas madali sila makita. And then, sa product solutions, we have different categories. So, merong management, merong compute engine, Kubernetes, storage, cloud storage, file store, analytics, and then networking, also serverless and databases. Meron din dito operations, security, and artificial intelligence, protects AI, right? But for now, we'll be focusing more on the Google Cloud Storage. So click natin to. And then, so let's create a bucket. So you can click here to create a bucket or you can click here also to start creating your bucket. So name your bucket. So pick a globally unique permanent name. So here, pwede kayong pumili ng mga unique uh, bucket name niyo. Kasi if you, let's say, lagyan natin sample bucket. So hindi siya mag-go kasi very unique siya globally. So hindi pwedeng, pag meron ng ibang nakagamit ng bucket name, hindi siya magre-reflect dito. So hindi siya applicable. For me, I'll create a bucket at 30-minute bucket. So let's see kung merong parehas. What's this? May issue agad. So the 30-minute bucket, okay, good siya. So walang naging problem. Ito notifications lang to. So later on na lang yan. And then you can choose here the location type. So choose where to store your data. So this choice defines the geographic placement of your data and affects cost, performance, and availability. So this cannot be changed later. And then, so meron tayong multi-region, highest availability across largest area. So meron siyang multiple regions in United States, in Asia, in Europe. So meron din dual region. So pwedeng isang region sa US and isang region sa Asia or sa Europe. So the other one is region. Lowest latency with a single region. So ito pipiliin natin kasi we are in Southeast Asia, one region lang tayo and then less cost tayo. So as you can see kasi rito, kung i-multi-region mo, makikita mo dito yung location pricing niya. Merong multiple regions, 0.26 per gigabyte per month plus with the default replication of 0.20 per gigabyte written. So, may additional cost siya. Same also sa dual region. Medyo mas mababa lang versus dun sa multi-region. Pero kung isang region lang din yung pipiliin mo, kasi for in my case, personal use ko lang naman to, hindi naman siya enterprise or hindi naman siya international data yung paggagamitan. I mean, international purposes paggagamitan. I will be using one region only, Asia Southeast, Singapore. So, as you can see here, meron siyang location pricing na estimated. And then you can proceed here. So, meron tayong next is choose a storage class for your data. So, a storage class sets cost of storage, retrieval, and operations with minimal differences in uptime. So, meron tayong ditong auto class. Si auto class is automatically transitions each object to standard or nearline class based on object level activity. So, if naka-auto class ka, nag-auto transition siya sa standard or nearline. So, define muna natin what are the default classes or classes with the storage classes. First, standard. Yung standard is the best for short-term storage and frequently accessed data. So, every now and then in access yung data nyo, you put it in standard class. If nearline naman, best for backups and they access data less than once a month. So, once a month. So, kanina dito sa auto class, dito naglalaro yung transition ng data mo or yung pag open frequently accessed data mo sa standard or sa nearline. If we choose auto class. So, if we choose set as a default class, pwede dito sa standard, pwedeng nearline, pwedeng cold line. So, best for disaster naman, disaster recovery and data access less than once a quarter yung cold line. And then yung archive is best for long-term digital preservation of data access less than once a year. So, I will choose archive kasi yung mga files ko is I want to store it or archive it. Though bihira ko siyang magamit pero importante siya. And then, ayaw siyang i-delete. So it was kasi may data represent my whole life experience, mga previous work ko, mga previous achievements ko, di ba? So mga previous videos and images, so mga throwback pictures na bira ko na ma, ma, ma-open kasi most of them na-upload naman sa social media. So what if kung mawala yung social media, di ba? Wala kang backup. So if you store it also sa Google, sa on-prem, let's say sa local storage sa laptop mo or sa USB mo, so kalaunan di mo kasi alam kung saan ma-misplace mo siya or say di nagagana yung laptop mo. So pupunta ka pa ng computer shop para mag-retrieve ng data mo. So quite hassle. Unlike kung store mo siya sa cloud, anywhere you could access it via cloud. So as long as may internet ka and hindi naman mawawala siguro yung internet. Baka hoax lang yung balita na yun, di ba? Anyway, let's do some computation here. So location pricing. It says here in Southeast Singapore, there is a 0.0015 per gigabyte per month yung charge niya. So let's compute sorry. 0.0015. Magkano kaya yan sa atin? So if converted sa peso, if 60 pesos equivalent of $1 is equivalent of $1. So ito yung magiging computation niya. It's 0.09 cent per gigabyte per month. What if you have or I have a 2 terabytes of data? Laki, no? So let's say 2 terabyte na lang. Kasi compare natin later on sa cost dun sa Google Drive sa iCloud and sa iCloud. So it would only cost me sorry, mali yung computation ko. So 0.005 times 60, 0.09 or 09 cents lang per gigabyte per month. What if I have 2 terabytes, which is 2,000 gigabytes? I will only have to pay 180 pesos per month for the 2 terabyte na storage subscription. So kung times mo in 12 in 1 month, you will only pay 2,160. So take note, 2,160 per year. So punta tayo ngayon sa search natin Google Drive price. And then iCloud price. So here sa Google Drive, yung 2 terabyte, kung i-annual mo siya, it's 4,799 per year yung babayaran mo. So 4,799. Sa iCloud naman, let's see, sa iCloud pricing nila, where's the Philippines? Asia Pacific. Sorry, ayun na pala kanina. So 2 terabytes, 499 din per month. So in a year, $5,988. Diba? Sa Google Drive, yung 2 terabyte na storage mo, storage capacity is 4,799. And then sa iCloud, it's 5,988 per year. Versus, dito sa Google Cloud Storage in archive form or class, nasa 2,180 plus lang siya kanina, di ba? So, laking tipid, di ba? So, ang caveat lang dito is, since naka-archive siya, you need to access or you should access your data less than once a year. Less than once a year. So, pwede naman di mo access less than once a year. Pero kung naka-archive siya and then every week or every other month mo siya in-access, there is a operational cost. There's operational cost. So, meron siyang computation yan, separate. Anyway, let's move forward. So, choose how to control access your uh, objects. Enforce public access prevention in this bucket. No, I will set it, unclick ko to kasi I want it to be as a private as possible. So I have also access control, uniform, or fine grained. So I'll set it as uniform lang kasi it's on my personal use naman. Usually yung fine grained ginagamit sa mga developers and sa mga enterprise level na uh, there is a specific person na maka-access sa specific file or specific folder. So kaya fine grained siya. Pero pag uniform, anyone with the uh, assigned access maka-access to specific files also. I mean, to the whole files and folders setted to be viewed by this person. And then next is continue natin. So how to protect object data. So meron ditong object versioning for data recovery and retention policy for compliance. So I'll just put it none lang muna. And then data encryption, Google managed encryption siya. And then you could have also customer managed encryption key if third party to or company uh, encryption. So let's create. So it's already processing my data. May packet pala, the 30-minute packet. So there are menus here, upload files. So you could upload a specific menu or specific file pala, sorry. Specific file, let's say ang i-upload natin is, like, diba? Kuwari, cash flow or e-commerce or financial. One document lang siya pwede. If you want to have it multiple documents, you could access or you could upload the whole folder. So upload the whole folder. So in this case, I will upload the whole folder for money mindset, and then another folder for life of a trader. So itong mga files na to, it's bira ko na magamit o ginagamit. I-archive ko na lang siya via Google Cloud Storage bucket. And then baka once a year pwede ko siyang access. So yun. Refresh natin. Yun, meron na. Ang bilis lang. So let's check the money mindset files versus here sa ating original file. I mean, source natin. Cash flow, finished e-commerce, activated. So, how to be debt free. And then here sa console. Same, di ba? So I have here many documents. Anyway, 0 to 1, yung pinakadulo niya is 0 to 1. Okay, tama. 21 items. So 87 files uploaded sa isang folder yun. So here's a life of a trader. Yun. And then check natin dun sa source natin. Life of a trader. Yan, diba? Umberto Malaspina, 87 items. W8 Ben. So here is W8 Ben. Same, okay? May mga videos ka, pictures, pwede mo siyang i-archive. Save mo lang. So, ayun, di ba? Mabilis lang. And then, 20 minutes pa nga lang. So that's it. Ang bilis lang. So the 30-minute bucket na bucket name ko, and then the files like a trader money mindset. So yan. You could also do monitoring here. Yan. Pwede mo rin siyang i-customize yung dashboard sa mga server error rate, merong total read list, so on and so forth. And then you can download this data siguro if you want para to have that may analytics ka or analysis or how often you access your data. And then meron ding settings dito. So project access, ito is more on sa mga developer side na siya. So interoperability. So pwede mo siyang i-connect yung API niya and any other key or something na create a key. So assist lang, pwede lang, kaya ano naman natin yan. We'll explore that in some several demos. So good thing here pala dito sa Google Cloud Platform is that there is a do it AI. So if you're familiar with ChatGPT and Google Bard, ito yung mga gumagawa ka ng prompt and then si ChatGPT or do it AI will give an answer. So sa do it AI naman, it's a supplementary solution or feature ni Google Cloud Platform wherein you could prompt or run a query or questions to say how often I should access my data in archive class. It's a question lang. So si Do It AI is running. So archive storage is the best choice for data that you plan to access less than once a year. So for example, call data storage archive data such as data stored for legal or regulatory reasons. Okay, long-term backups. So that's what I'm doing, long-term backups and disaster recovery. So pag binaha ka o binagyo ka and mabasa yung laptop or yung USB drive mo, so at least safe pa rin yung data mo sa cloud, di ba? So wag lang yung wipe out yung mundo. Anyway, that's another problem. Yun lang. So happy. I've discovered this kind of solution. So sa mga frequent access data ko, I'm using Google Drive, pero ililesen ko na lang siya sa I'm paying siguro na 500 per month. I'll be paying siguro mga 50 or 49 pesos. That's, let me check. Magkano ba yan? So, kahit free nga lang gamitin, 15 gig na lang sa mga photos lang. Mga usual photos lang. And then, pag nag-exceed na siya, pwede ko na siyang i-archive, di ba? So, that's how I plan to archive my files. So, dito, 49 pesos yung 50 gigabytes kay iCloud. 200 gigabytes naman is 149 pesos. Here, 200 gigabytes is 111 for the first 3 months. Pero pag i-monthly mo siya, 149 din. Okay. Sound fair enough. And then, yun. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Send your comments. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.